Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see chapter 10, Exponents and Powers from class 8 NCERT book. So exercise 10.1, in that question 1 is evaluate. First one, sum is given 3 raised to minus 2. Here you are going to change first negative power into positive power. By law, a raised to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a raised to the power m. So change this into the positive power. 1 by 3 raised to 2, that is 3 square, is equals to, now 1 by 3 square, that is 1 by 3 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9. Next, minus 4 raised to minus 2. Again you are making this power negative to positive by this law. So 1 by minus 4, this minus 2 will change to plus 2, that is minus 4 square. So here, now again about sign I want to tell here. If minus sign carrying number is here, minus sign, and power is even number, then minus sign change to positive. Okay, and if minus sign but power is odd number, then minus sign remains as it is minus. Okay, so here 1 by, again see, minus sign is given but power is even number, so it will become positive. So minus will change to plus, and 4 square is 4 into 4, that is 16. So you got here 1 by 16. Next, 1 by 2 raised to minus 5. You have learnt one law. A by B raised to power minus m is equals to what? Take the reciprocal. B by A raised to the power plus m. Now you are going to change the same. 2 by 1 raised to power 5. Now what is 2 by 1? 2 by 1 means 2 only. So 2 raised to 5. What is the value of 2 raised to 5? 2 into 2, how many times you are multiplying? 5 times. So you will get here 2 raised to 5 is 32. Now next question. Question 2, simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. So first one, minus 4 raised to 5 divided by minus 4 raised to 8. Here bases are equal, therefore you can use this law. A raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m minus n. What you will get here? Minus 4 raised to the power 5 minus 8. Here opposite signs plus minus, therefore you will subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. Bigger number sign is minus. Therefore, what you will get here? Minus 4 raised to the power minus 3. Now, what here asked? In power notations with a positive exponent. So, you have to change again this exponent in positive number. So, how you can do? A raised to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a raised to the power m. So, again you will change 1 by minus 4 cube. We'll change minus 3 to plus 3. Therefore, 1 by minus 4 cube. Next. Now here, 1 by 2 cube and whole to the square. Okay. How you can write? You have learnt one law here. A by B raised to the power m is equals to a raised to the power m and divided by b raised to the power m. Similarly, we are going to do what you will write here. Your a is 1 and this is your b. So, you are going to write 1 square divided by 2 cubes whole square. Now, solve this. 1 square is 1 divided by, again you can use here one law, a raised to the power m and whole to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m into n. So what you can write here? 2 raised to the power 3 into 2. So what you will get? 1 raised to the 1 by 2 raised to the power 6. Next. In this question, you can see bases are different but powers are same. Therefore, you can use this formula. a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equals to a into b raised to the power m. Got it? Apply that formula, that log we are going to apply. So minus 3 is your a into 5 by 3 is your b. 5 by 3 raised to the power 4. Got it? Now here you can see this 3 is in numerator, this is in denominator, so you can cut 3 ones are 3 ones are. Okay? So what is left here? Minus 5 raised to the power 4. Now again see that just now I told if minus sign is here and power is even number, then sign changes to positive. Therefore here you will get 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, this minus will be plus 5 raised to the power 4. Next sum. Here in this sum, we are going to solve bracket first. Here which law you can use? Bases are equal. Therefore, you can use here a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m minus n. So, apply this law. How you can make this? 3 raised to the power minus 7. Then this middle sign minus. And here next power is minus 10. Therefore, I will keep in bracket minus 10. Next into 3 raised to minus 5. As it is, I have written. Solve this first. Minus 7 minus of minus 10. That is minus minus is plus. So minus 7 plus 10. What we will get here? Plus 3. So 3 raised to 3. Into this sign 3 raised to minus 5. Now again, which law is going to use? A raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m plus n. Okay, I am writing this side, then you can see. Now what you will get? 3 raised to the power 3 plus minus 5. So what you will get here? Plus into minus is minus. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bigger number sign is minus. Therefore 3 raised to minus 2. You have to make powers positive. Therefore what you can write? 1 by 3 square. Now come to the last sum from question 2. Here again, which law you can use as bases are different and powers are same? You can write a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equals to a into b raised to the power m. Okay. Now here this is your a, this is your b. So what you can write here? 2 into minus 7. Okay. This I will keep square bracket. And raised to the power minus 3. What you will get here? 2 7s are 14. So what you will get? Minus sign again, minus 14. Raised to the power minus 3. Here you have to make positive exponent. Therefore what you can write here? 1 by minus 14 raised to the power 3. That is minus 14's cube. 1 by minus 14's cube. Thank you for watching.